The Mother Vessel Excellence, a 367-foot processing ship, is a pioneer in the seafood industry. Built in 1973 by Hayashikane Dockyard in Nagasaki, Japan, this vessel has defined a generation of innovation in sustainable seafood processing. The Mother Vessel Excellence specializes in processing Alaska pollock and Pacific whiting. Onboard facilities produce high-quality surimi, fillet blocks, mince, fish meal, fish oil, and roe. Every product is crafted from the freshest catch to deliver premium seafood worldwide. With a massive storage capacity of 1,700 metric tons of frozen product, the Mother Vessel Excellence stays at sea for up to 4 months. It processes seafood continuously, ensuring efficiency and freshness. Over the years, this vessel has been upgraded with expanded factory space and enhanced propulsion systems, maintaining its role as a leader in seafood innovation. With a dedicated crew of 159 members, the Mother Vessel Excellence is more than just a ship. It's a legacy of sustainability and excellence. It embodies a commitment to responsible fishing and premium seafood production. The Mother Vessel Excellence sets the standard for a generation of seafood processing, delivering quality from ocean to table. Discover more about sustainable seafood at Global Seafoods. Visit us online or watch more on our YouTube channel.